Hello once again. Welcome to Henry Lucky's YouTube channel. Yes, a place where you learn the hacks and tricks that will help you to be successful in online business. So today we are looking at how to start a successful six-figure online business. So before we dive into it, I want you to like my video, share it, also give it a thumbs up, and put down your comments below how helpful this video is, or anything that you know that is bothering you concerning online business, how to make money online. Put the comment right down below so that I'm able to attend to it. So today in this video, we are going to be looking at how to start a successful six-figure online business. So let us look at it. So introduction. Most people failed in online business, yes, because they didn't take the step-by-step approach I'm about to explain in this video. Many people want to make money online, they want to start, but they will just dump into it. They will not take the lay down approach. It's a business that you need to own and that you need to run it successfully. So you need this approach. So these steps will make anyone to have sustainable, profitable, and successful online business. So if you follow these steps I'm about to show you, you will make your online business to become sustainable. You become employers of labor. You will make it's going to be profitable, it's going to sustain you, it's going to be profitable, it's going to be successful, it's going to be an evergreen thing. So don't take it as a joke. So follow the steps I'm about to show you in this video. So this process involves selecting profitable niche and good analysis of market research. So as you want to dive in, many gurus will tell you over there that your passion, before you choose your niche, take a passion, take where it's nice, it's true. But sometimes your passion may not drive income to your pocket. Everything we are doing, you are just trying to create impact, you are trying to influence people, and you will, in all this, you need to make money from it. So sometimes your passion may not give you money. So you must have ability to select a profitable niche if you are going to online business. Do you know the word niche? Yes. Wow. So we are not going deep into that today, but if you want to learn more of all the languages that we are using in online business, I want you to join me in my community. I'm putting the link down below in the description below. So you click on it, you join us, you are going to learn more of all this. So let us continue. So let's dive into it now. So the first thing you need to do is to select a niche, selection of niche. So you can do it by using these tools below. You select your niche by looking at category in forums. So we have two tools that you can use there. www.findaforum.net is a good tool that you can use to find you can use the tool to find, look at it, you can use it. Let us see how it works. Let's see how it works. Let's go to Google. See how it works. So find the forum. Find the forum. .net. Find the forum.net. So find the forum.net. Also, okay. Got it. Find the forum.net. This is. So I'll click on niche. Look at the forum. So I'm clicking on the top forum. So I'm clicking on niche there. You see it? So Let's see what we can do. Click on it. I want to figure out the niche I'm going to use. So let me scroll up. You see it? These are potential niche, and you don't need to struggle. Look at them. These are niche. It's a niche. Look at it. AdSense, affiliate programs, baby niche, best blogging niche. So all these are niche that you can pick. These are niche that you can pick and start building on it. So let us take this affiliate program and see what you can do there now. Affiliate program, click on that niche and click affiliate program. Let us see sub niche under this affiliate program now. You see it? These are sub niche. I have affiliate program for bloggers. You see it? Affiliate program for beginners, even with keywords that you can use. You see it? Affiliate program for website, affiliate program for Amazon. You see it? Affiliate program that work. So all these are niche you can narrow down. Affiliate program with residual income, affiliate program for blogs, affiliate program for travel. So all these are niche you can narrow down and you start working on them. Okay, let's go straight. Let us check what of Nairaland. Let's check Nairaland. Nairaland.com. See also. See, these are the niche in Nairaland. We have politics, crime, romance, job vacancy, career, business, investment, education. So all these are profitable niche that you need to check and see. So the next thing is to qualify your niche with high search volume, high views or audience. So the tips here is that you have to qualify the niche you have chosen. Do they have high view? Do they have high search or high comment per month? At least if you use these tools I'm giving down below here, www.ubersuggest.com, and put the keyword related to your niche there. If you see an high search there, you know that there is market in that niche. So you go for niche that have high search, that have high comments. Maybe in the forum there, that niche, you see people that are commenting about a particular thing. You see people, view concerning topic in that niche is very high. Or you use this particular tool, oversuggest.com, and you put in a keyword and give you high search. You know that they have a high niche. Market research, that is the step 2. Find your ideal customer in the niche you have selected. So many people feel like it. After they have chosen their niche, they will just go on, get product to promote. At the end, they will be frustrated. After you have chosen your niche, what you need to do next, you need to do serious market research. This is an online business. It's a business that you want to take as a profession. So do market research. Find your ideal customer. Then you don't need to struggle when you pitch your products. Find them. Know what is their pain point. You see how to do it. Go to forum selected to your related niche. Check for their complaints, frustration, pain points, solution used before, solution failed, discuss or post in the forum. So these are what you'll be looking at. You go to the same forum, you'll be checking for all this. You'll be checking for their pain. People will post in the forum how to lose weight. You see it? They'll be posting problem, their pain, their testimonies, what they have used. So all these things, what you'll be looking at, and you have to get your pencil and paper, be jotting them down, because all these are how to determine your ideal customer, a customer that we get the product or we buy the product that you want to provide. You see, these are steps. Step 1, select a niche. and I've shown you how to do that. Go to forum, you don't need to drag your head, drag your mind and say which niche will I select. Go there and look for a niche there. Just pick one, look at it, qualify that niche if it has a high view or high comment. There are many people in that market there, in that forum. Then you go further to make your market research. Just check for problems, pains. These are first step you do in your market research. Then go to Facebook audience insight to check for the biodata based on the interest of your ID customer you have seen in the forum. So with those key points, you see their interest, you see what they are doing. You go to Facebook, you know what we are getting now. You get example, the names, the problem, the solution, the biodata of so this is how you are going to jot it down. You put the name of, but you just use a particular, a personified the person, use a particular name John to represent the group of the people you have seen that have related problem in that place, and then you state those problem you have seen, weight loss, belly fat, all those problems listed. Just list them. Then solution they might have used before. Then the biodata, what are they doing? The biodata, are they male? Are they more of male or female? Their age, are they between from 30 to 40? Are they people that have this buying drive to buy particular things? Where are they working? Where do they used to hang out? Do they used to hang out in a particular place online, the forum, the pages in Facebook, any other place? So you get all these biodata in Facebook. So things needed for you to do that successfully. You can use google.com, type in the niche keyword as, for example, weight loss plus forum, or you go to the same tool we have seen before, www.findtheforum.net, and check a forum. You are going to see all these pins and other things related to them. So for biodata, use Facebook Audience Insight to get information on biodata. So you can use this link, https, this is www.web.facebook.com/ads/audience then insight. It's going to take you to Facebook Insight, where you are going to learn more of this. So if you join me in my my masterclass, there is a masterclass I've prepared for how to run a successful online business. I will take you how to run a successful 6-figure online business. I will take you by hand. So I will show you how to do this thing step by step. You can also do it, but if you want the easy way, I will show you step by step. So I'll put the link down below. So I will teach you how to run successful 6-figure online business. You are going to see practically. I'm going to take you one by one in the masterclass. So tips, what you need to get here is the audience insight and check for the problems or the biodata of your customer. So the next thing, do competitors and market research to get what they are selling. What are you looking for here? You look for their landing page, online selling, what they are selling in their platform, how they are creating, the angle they are coming, their copywriting, their hard copy. So these are what you need to look at so that you're able to model them, or re-engineering following what they are doing. You're able to model them. So that is what the next step you need to do. The first step, we say choose a niche. I have shown you how to select a niche. The second step, you qualify the niche. The third step, you do your market research, which is getting your ID customer, knowing them. I've shown you how to take care of that. And the next one is for you to do competitors research also, so which we are into now. You do your competition research. So how to do this? Type in the keywords you saw in stage, that is in stage 1, your Google research, when you are doing your market research or your niche research. take URL of any page that have ad, running an ad on Google, put it into the URL in these two similar web to get your competitors' work. Very simple. You go on Google, you have gotten your keywords, you see it in the tool I gave to you, then that I show you. I say find a forum.net. You see, when you narrow down, you see your markets, your niche, you see those keywords. Put in the keywords into Google and see whether there are people running ad on Google. Take the URL of that particular page, put it on this particular tools. It's a web-based application tool. Then put it there. It's going to give you more of information of your competitors, their copy, their landing page, and other things. So look at it, similarweb.com. That is the tool you need to use. Okay, I think we have able to go through step by steps that you need to start your successful online business. I want you to comment how helpful this video is to you. Put it right down in the description below. Also share my video so that it will motivate me to do more. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime I upload the video, you will be the first people that are going to see it, so that you don't miss anything out. I'll be giving you tricks and strategy, and I'll help you how to have a sustainable online business and make money, make your six-figure online to accomplish your dreams. So if you want to learn more about this, that you want me to take you by hand, you want me to show you the practical steps, you can join my masterclass for free. Just join there. There's a link below there. You join the masterclass for free, and we'll see there. I will show you step by step. I'll take you by hand, and you will not regret doing that. Thank you very much for watching. Still remain your humble boy, Henry. Thank you. Bye.